I want to compute both direct material cost and conversion cost per equivalent unit. So now I got to start getting into the dollar amounts, folks. Okay. All right. Under the dollar section, I've got beginning inventory and what was put into production. I got these are solid dollar amounts. Okay. So now I'm going to start with those first. I'm going to actually plug in these dollar amounts for direct material and conversion costs because these are actually good numbers. Alrighty. So direct material for beginning inventory. Came out to be $420,000. Okay, and 139,000. Make sure we clarify that that's dollars. And then work in process is going to have $2,220,000. Or what was, I'm sorry, work in process incurred in this period. So 2,220,000 and 3,254,000. I'm just simply pulling off the numbers that I recorded over here, folks. Nothing more than that, okay? All right. Total everything up. And I get 2,640,000. And 3,393,000. All right, then I got to take these dollar amounts and I got to divide them by the units that I came up with up here to come up with equivalent units. Alrighty, per a dollar amount per unit. So these are actually the equivalent units right here. So I'm going to say these are EUP. All right. So now I'm going to divide by EUP of 880,000. My 8s are really my crutch. I do not do 8s very well. And 754,000. 754,000. Okay. And so I divide by my equivalent units of production and I come up with $3 even and $4.50. Okay, and that's going to be per equivalent unit of production. So it's going to cost $3 in direct material and $4.50 in conversion costs per unit of production. Now that I know what my per unit is going to be, cost per unit, I'll take this and I'll apply it to my numbers down here to come up with dollar amounts for this bottom portion here, okay? Alrighty, good. So number 3 is going to ask for just that. Compute the direct material cost and conversion costs assigned to units completed and transferred out, which is the 700,000, and ending work in process, which is 180,000. These are in units. Okay, so let's start first with 700,000, and 700,000 times $3 is going to give me 2,100,000, indirect material. Okay. Conversion cost 700,000. This is going to be transferred out. And I'll put 700,000 in parentheses so we remember that that's what this is for. So 700,000 times $4.50 is going to give me conversion costs of $3,150,000. Alrighty. Then ending work in process inventory. I'm going to do all of the direct materials, okay? So if I take a look at ending inventory, 180,000 units here is going to be times $3. Okay, so 180 times $3 is going to give me 540,000. And then I'm going to take the 180,000, I'm going to take into consideration that this is at 30% completion. Okay, does everybody follow what I'm saying here? And we did calculate that earlier. In fact, that was right up here. In fact, these numbers here are going to be used to make these calculations down here. Now we've done the 700. This ending inventory is going to consist of 180,000 and 54,000. Okay, so I'm literally taking these numbers and bringing them down here. So 180 times the $3 gave me 540. Then the 54,000 times $4.50. That then gives me 243,000. And so my total cost is going to be see, I don't have a calculator on me, folks. Sorry about that. But they're doing it actually according to the problem. As I'm looking at the solutions page, they're actually going across this way and they're adding up the numbers going this way. So this is going to be 5,250,000. And this is going to be, let's see, 783,000. And then they totaled that up to come up with 6,033,000. Sorry that this is getting squished. I did not see that coming. Okay. Okay, now that we've done all this, I brought out a calculator. I could actually fill in the rest of this information right here by what I've done over here. So what was transferred out, yeah, I know, Lily. What was transferred out is going to be 2,100,000. And for the conversion cost is 3,150,000. And then for ending inventory, material was 540,000. Conversion 243,000. And then if I were to total up these numbers here, I would get 2,640,000. And then I'd get 3,393,000. And if I were to take these numbers and subtract these numbers, I would end up with these at the end. Thus, my fish story is proven. So this is my fish story for direct material and conversion costs. Beginning inventory plus what was added into manufacturing gives me what was left over. Subtracting out the inventory will give me what was transferred out, completed and transferred out for both of these. Pretty cool, eh? So now I got this whole picture completed out. Thank you very much for your time.